Good morning, everyone. We are out for our morning walk. It is 6:35 in the morning. Well, now it's 6:37, and we have got to be up and at 'em because at 9:30 p.m. my boyfriend and I were on a very nice dinner date, just enjoying each other's company, watching the Rockets win against the Nets, just having a good old time. And I started getting work messages from Teams, and then I got a meeting put on my calendar for 7:30 a.m. The 7:30 a.m. meeting was scheduled at 9:30 p.m. And yes, you guessed it, it is part of the board presentation that is today. So today's going to be a long one. Let's go. So I am fully done with my makeup and hygiene for this morning. And I'm walking my dog with this bonnet on my hair because it is so humid out here, you guys. It definitely feels like the forecast, like it's gonna be 80 degrees today. So I'm out here like really blackety black with this bonnet on my head, but I am gonna refresh my curls when I get in the house. I use the Carol's Daughter refresher spray. It is the best to refresh your curls. I haven't found a refresher spray that I like better because I do not like refresher sprays that make my hair feel oily. And then the other product that I'm using, the only thing I'm using on my hair is the avocado and honey mousse. I will show you guys what it looks like. I told you yesterday I would show you, and I forgot. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, I am fully dressed. I am taking my Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Mousse into the office with me just in case I have to touch up my hair. I would be able to do that only using this product. This thing is a bad mama jamma. I have to use a lot of it though, and it's very humid today. So I did tee it up, as you can see, but I think my natural hair is really popping. I am wearing a halogen white button down. I love this red, black, and white ribbon detail. It just gives it a little something extra instead of being a plain white button down. I'm wearing red joggers, probably from Halogen from Nordstrom, and then these red Sam Edelman slides or mules. These red mules are like house slippers because after walking so much on yesterday, I just can't do it today. I am not gonna be able to have my vlog up today. I've been working on it. I'm editing it, but this is from Monday. Today is Thursday. I'm clearly behind. Today has been the worst vlogging day ever, but one of the best career days. I talked so much. My throat is dry. I was in a room today where the temperature was basically set to 60 degrees all day. My nasal passages are dry. So I'm going to do my steam treatment again. Today went so well, you guys. One reason why I did not like working at my last company is because the hate was real. The assaults were real. The bullying was real. I work with some of the nicest people right now. It just blows my mind sometimes how God answers your prayer and gives you the desires of your heart. Oh my gosh, the head of global HR, after I finished my presentation, we had to do the presentation 5 times in a row because they split the board and the executive leadership team up into little 5 groups. We did it 5 times in 1 hour. I was so exhausted. But in the very first group was the head of global HR. And she's a woman. She stopped. She let the rest of the group go. She stayed back. She leaned to me and she said, confidence, poise, class, and grace. You've got it all. Fantastic. Great job. Y'all, that is by far one of the best pieces of feedback, best compliments, best for my career. Because I never just want to be successful in business. I want to have a successful character. I want to be a kind person. I want to work with kind people. And that was really kind. And I will say that we have one Black female board member. And she's new. And she stayed back after the entire event and came and shook my hand. These are board members. She said, great job. Oh my gosh. I was the only Black person there, y'all. I was the only Black person there. I am hurting. My knees are hurting. My legs are hurting. Oh, I'm no good. So I'm going to end this vlog here. It ain't worth shit. But if you watched it, thank you. I see you tomorrow.